September. Went to go over a few charts and really interesting day. And I'm gonna start with natural gas, but I'll get to oil and all these other ones here in a second. But I've been following this one for a while, and nice thing about what's going on here with Boyle is that we had a penetration of the moving VWAP, and it broke back up above it. We took our second purchase, so we're in the trade for around $16 now. And what we're going to do is, it looks like we'll have one more trade where we'll sell out and get my second buy signal here, and then we'll be able to do one more purchase and then be able to hold this thing hopefully till we get to 20 plus as we get into the natural gas season here in October. The other thing that we did was we did a reversal on VXX and XIV. We were very fortunate that the market kind of sold down early and got us a chance to get out of VXX for it was about a 3% loss for us. Mistake wasn't yesterday; the mistake was the day before, and just shows me every time, just stay away from VXX. Just take the XIV trade, jump back in XIV, and we lost. So I bought it and took a $1.40 loss on VXX, and today climbed back and got almost 78 cents of that back. And so good learning for me. XIV is pushing the top again. Probably getting our sell-off here pretty soon. The market's definitely ready for a sell-off, and but we're going to wait it out next time and just let the trade set back up. XIV is just a great trade for us, and what we're going to do is, part of the service is I'm going to be calling out day trades like we did today. Got out of it today. Be short swing and long swing, and right now we're just in day trade mode. So depending on your style of trading, we have room for you, and we actually funded a separate account, stuck $50K in it, and we're going to go ahead and show those broker statements, and all we're really going to trade on it is XIV, just to show you how much money you can make trading it. It's definitely it's a beautiful instrument to trade, and it's my bread and butter, and I think it'll be something that you guys will enjoy as well. So those are for people who are already subscribers, though. Oil, what a crazy day. That they just didn't do anything. They just talked, but you could just tell they're ready for it to take it higher. And so, I'm looking for maybe a little bit of a pullback. I traded oil all last 2 weeks in the futures market, did quite well, but nothing I can really share here. It's just too hard to have a service trade in the futures. It just moves too fast and too leveraged. But right now I think it's probably pushed up high here. I don't know if we get a little bit more room, but I think we'll sell down a little bit. Then we're going to watch what's happening in the marketplace weather-wise. That tropical storm goes into the Gulf. I think natural gas and oil will just I think it'll get a big pop, and then I think that's the pop that we're going to be able to sell for a while, because there's just still way too much production, not enough demand, and all the stories are out in the open now, so they really can't talk anymore. Nobody's going to cut production. The OPEC guys are just a bunch of thieves, and so they'll cheat and steal and lie and keep producing, and it'll just drive the price down. What else was interesting is that we called out, one of my signals I have is looking at overbought triples, and on my signal here, whenever you get past 5 days, I think I talked about this the other day, is you get a sell off or a gap down, and I bought yesterday because I'm never quite sure when we get to 4 or 5 days when this thing will present a trade, and it did today, and in fact it pushed up high, but I'm confident just the way in which this signal works that I was going to get at least an opportunity at the very worst to get out at break even. And as you can see, dust fell by almost 7% today, but it fell actually even more than that. The range was probably closer to 10%. We're still in it. I'm looking for this thing to push down, get some follow through on this. If I get it down into the 30 range, then I'll take half off, or I'll get out of my put. And so I'll be sharing more of these trades. I have a couple that I follow, and UVXY being one of them, and Dust being one of them, but Nugget also as well. So it works both ways. And you only need a few things to make a lot of money, and so you're going to see me just focusing on these things that are just high confidence setups. Everything else is just getting chopped a bit. So now the only thing I'm really waiting on now is to see if we get a turn in gold, and maybe with the Saudi Arabia being sued thing, it could be a potential black swan. But it's gearing up. I hate when my momentum indicator is moving ahead of this. I shouldn't say hate. It's just telling me I probably have one more round to go before I'll get a good move. I'm already in. I've been holding calls on this. Are you gold? Stopped out already, and so I'm waiting to see if we turn up the light green on the buy sell short indicator while momentum's overbought, and see if we can make a profitable trade. So anyway, those are some of the things I want to talk about, and I'll be back at it tomorrow. Be another late video. My daughter, it's just been a crazy time for us. My daughter's a high school volleyball player, and it's just the fall is when all the games and matches are, and meetings, and so right when training's over, we're engaged in that, and she does quite well, and so very proud of her. But it's kind of pushes me late on these videos. So check back tomorrow, but check back late, and I'll have more videos out, and I'll have a bunch for the weekend. It's going to get exciting now. I think the market's starting to get some two-way action. Anyway, this is Bob from Trade Genius. Have a great day. Catch you guys later.